I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Trend of the Week video, Danger of the Lithium Drought. Now, you know that lithium is a key component of the batteries that drive electric vehicles and rechargeable anythings. And you know that it's in tight supply, so we've had prices going up. Two things. One is you're getting Wall Street firms come out and say, hey, we're going to see an end to the falling prices for batteries for electric vehicles, which means an end to the trend of lower prices for electric vehicles. And that might indeed lead to some demand destruction for electric vehicles. But more importantly, Chile, which is one of the major sources of lithium, is in the middle of a 15-year drought. A lot of the lithium comes from the northern Atacama Desert, where there's not much water to begin with, but you're seeing a huge stress on all these ecosystems, as well as on the communities that rely upon any available water for their life. If you're talking about Chilean lithium, there are really two big players. One is a company called SQM. It's a very interesting relationship between the company and the national government. A fair amount of regulation. You can see the stock has been up with lithium prices. A more interesting chart to me is Albemarle. This is the largest lithium producer in the world. You can see there's a lot more volatility. They have lithium coming out of the brines of northern Chile and Argentina. They also mine lithium in places like Australia. So more diversified sourcing, which is important in this situation. As I said, Chile is in the middle of a 15-year drought. And the impact of this is exacerbated by the horrendous constitution. One of the things that constitution did was it privatized water. And one of the results of this has been, hey, you want to start a nut farm, you're going to need a lot of water, you buy the water, and I'm sorry if that really drains the local lake and kills off the local community. Chilean constitution is being rewritten right now. It's pretty clear that this extreme privatization of water is not going to be in the new constitution. We're going to have some kind of public right to water, and it's really going to change everything about how water is used in Chile, and particularly in the north where there's not very much water. I think you're going to see a lot of turmoil, a lot of worry about what this is going to do, sourcing of lithium from Chile. I think you're going to see a lot of volatility in stock prices. One of the reasons I prefer Albemarle as a lithium stock to SQM right now is because Albemarle has a more diversified set of suppliers. It mines it in Australia as well as elsewhere. I like lithium as a long-term story. I think we're looking at 6 months or so of rather extreme volatility as we work out how much demand is going to come down. Goldman, for example, has said that all battery metals, which they include lithium, are hitting a peak right now, and we're looking at probably a downturn for 6 to 12 to 18 months before we get another peak starting around 2025. So put that in your financial plan so that you either decide to get out of the volatility now or ride the volatility, but put some more money in and ready for the 2025 turn. Thanks very much for watching. It's been Jim Jubak. If you like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get notification for when we do new video. If you like my stuff, you can go to my free site, jubakpicks.com. And that's got 3 portfolios, which include Albemarle. And you can also go to my paid site, jubakam.com. That's got 6 portfolios, which also does ETFs and some options. So thanks for watching.